Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and to another art video. In today's video, we're going to be redrawing something I've already done in the past actually. And if you want to see that video, I'll be linking it right here. It's me drawing my favorite anime characters, but that drawing was actually years ago. And since then, my anime watch list has changed. I'm mostly also testing out the sound recorder that's built into Sony Vegas, so if this is too quiet, bear with. So if you're new to the channel, I'm an artist. I prefer drawing traditionally. Pencil to paper, pen, paintbrush, definitely got it from my dad's side. The mom has always been overly observative, and the dad, a subtle perfectionist. Now, I'm fortunate enough to be cursed with both an analytical and precise eye towards everything I do. It's also the same discerning mindset that causes me to overlook things, create meaningless situations, and second question myself. I'm still nowhere close to where I want to be. I'm also not the best at what I do, and I'd be lying if I said I've never dreamed of a better life for myself. And this is kind of why I took a step away from drawing. I saw myself plateauing, not being able to take my practice any further, so I stepped away. I spent my physical efforts, my resources, and my mental space on something completely out of my realm, which was the automotive stuff, the cars. Just remember, if you cherish your ambitions, you'll eventually discover your life's work. And for me, that's creating. Alright, it's time for us to outline these. Anyways, guys, what can I say about anime? Well, bottom line, there's so many life lessons that we can all take from anime, and that we've all actually used in life. Dr. Stone is hands down one of the most educational animes, and I mean all anime gives me life lessons that are actually applicable to real life, but I think even just the first season of Dr. Stone covers the equivalent of a modern day's school curriculum from grade 6 to grade 12 science, from how to create your own soap and gunpowder to the invention of antibiotics, and lots of tidbits of history too. Like, I try not to read the mangas that I'm particularly interested in that actually have an animated series out, just because I like to follow rabbit holes too deep. And also because some animes actually verge away from the manga, but as long as the storyline stays the same, I'm actually really tempted to read the Dr. Stone manga.
Go the long way, no one taught me how to walk, but I figured it out fine. Long strides, long strides, long strides. Every day's your time. You climb, you grow, you fall, get back up, ask for more. Got a long way to go, scenic routes sound fine. Head hanging out the window every time you get.
Next, our coloring weapon of choice, the Crayolas. With a complimentary sharpener.
To the side. Right now's the only time you'll ever be. Right here on this day in the smoke.
No! So first character we got is Luffy. Still hands down one of my favorite mangas to date. And if you're one of those who have yet to start the series and look at the episode count as daunting, look. My friend who showed little interest in this anime for years started One Piece 2 weeks ago and is already at episode 600, still working full time. Plant that One Piece tree now, friends. Next we got Gon from Hunter x Hunter. During one of the earlier episodes when they started introducing Nen into the series, which is basically their form of chakra and inert power. Believe it or not, I've applied that same Nen mindset into a lot of the things I do in real life. Also, once you get into the Chimera Ant arc, Gon's form... sorry, no spoilers here, just watch it. Of course, you got Senku from a Korean-based manga called Dr. Stone. Everyone knows this guy. It's Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. This anime got hyped these past couple of years, so not much for me to say other than sick. Definitely worth watching. What I'm noticing with the selection is most of these guys' prominent color is green. Cool. Black Clover. Now it took me 3 tries to actually get through the first episode. It's because I was one of those people who needed to get used to Asta's screaming voice. Like, I don't really like overly hyper-voiced main characters. Eventually it got pretty sick. Mr. 1,000,000% Man, Deku from Boku no Hero Academia. What's that saying? Go above and beyond, plus ultra. Remember guys, it's possible for you to always push yourselves past your limit. Sometimes I like to use the excuse that I'm only human, but you can't really use that as an excuse anymore because this planet is full of amazing ones. Your goal now is to become one of those. Some of you are probably wondering who the character that I drew in the middle was. If you haven't figured it out by now, it's me. It's just a personal self-portrait of me in my anime style. Now, I actually have a whole bunch of different styles, but like you saw, I had to redraw myself 3 times because I was iffy on the angle, but also because after mimicking 6 other different anime artists' styles, it was hard for me to come back to my own. It takes years to craft one's image, but a lifetime to figure out why. So yeah.
여유롭게 tease 내 자유로운 soul leave me be please 문제가 돈이라면 I'll be filthy rich.
If this video has helped you guys in any way, shape, or form, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and maybe watch one of my other art videos. Also, let me know some of the shows you guys are watching right now, or some of the mangas you're reading. I'm always keen on expanding my anime list.
Oh, I'm stretching. Hi. Well, we're all done here, and this guy came for his hourly attention. He's like a cat. That's it, we're finished here. Whew. And I think I'm just gonna end this vlog. Appreciate all for watching, and again, enjoy the holidays with your friends and family, and don't be a Grinch. Even though he's green, he cool. Actually, I was having this conversation with my mailman the other day because he had a Grinch hat. It's the perfect metaphor. You can be a Grinch. At the end of the day, everybody can grow their heart. Yeah, we'll see you in the next vlog, guys.